Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a budget with me video. I'm going to be showing you all how I keep track of my money, stay on budget for each month. So I use these 3 spreadsheets which I created. They will be on my website soon. I'm just going through, the rough draft stages of each one of them. So this one right here is the calendar overview. This one is the monthly budget spreadsheet, and this one right here is the payment checklist spreadsheet. So we're going to go through each one of them. I'm going to show you how I budget each month. I tried this last month and I was able to save. I feel like it's working so far so good for me, and I just wanted to share with you all how exactly I use these spreadsheets. They're going to be available on my website really soon. I'll probably have them on my website by the end of this week coming up, so around the 16th or 17th. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Turning your ideas into a successful online business can be hard, especially if you don't know where to start or where to continue in your business. But don't worry, I'll provide you with the proper tools to build a loyal clientele. I like to see like an overview of all of my expenses. This is a 2021 calendar spreadsheet, so you can use it for the whole year of 2021. I love printables that are very versatile and you can use for each month. And I also have one for 2022. We're going to label and then we'll get into my exact expenses for the month. One of my favorite months because, as you can see, I get paid every other Friday, but because there are 5 Fridays in July, I'll get paid 3 times. So that's on the 2nd, the 16th, and the 30th. We want to go ahead and mark our paydays. I'm going to go ahead and label all of my expenses for this month. Rent is always due on the 1st. Discover, which is one of my credit cards. On the 4th, I get billed for my Wix website. And I'm gonna put a B because this is a business expense and it comes out of my business debit card. TransUnion, Experian comes out on the 10th. For the 17th, I have my Capital One credit card. 20th, my Spectrum. Internet comes out. On the 21st, Amazon membership comes out. And then on the 22nd, Microsoft comes out. 27th, Canva membership comes out. 29th, car payment comes out. And then on the 30th, I have my car insurance that comes out. And my energy bill that comes out. For the month of July, I can see that I'm going to get paid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. I'm going to color each payday differently so I'll know what bills will be covered by that check. Paycheck 1 is pink, paycheck 2 is orange, and paycheck 3 is green. For the first paycheck, I paid my rent, Discover, Wix, and TransUnion, and Experian. So if this paycheck is not enough to cover all of these bills, I do have a savings account which I've been trying to grow, and that savings account is like my buffer, and I just transfer money over. Payday 2 is going to cover the Capital One credit card, Spectrum, Amazon, Microsoft, and Canva card. This paycheck will cover Geico and Duke, and then rent for next month. And again, I have my savings account as a buffer. 2 sources of income, which is YouTube and Amazon, but I also have my business income coming in and DoorDash if I decide to DoorDash. That covers my monthly overview. So basically this is the monthly budget. It just breaks down everything that I already put on the calendar. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this one for you all. So again, looking at my calendar, there is a 3 paychecks. And then I have YouTube, Amazon, payment checklist. So whatever I pay, I just check it off so I'll know what I have left. So we're gonna go ahead and just write everything down. Expenses are $2,057. Paycheck 1 is pink and it goes all the way to Experian. Paycheck 2 is orange and it goes all the way down to the card payment. How I stay on budget. I'll give you all an update on how this month has gone. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you loves later. Bye.